Hello friends, how are you? In this video, I will show you how to earn money with cryptocurrency. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest update. Go to Google and search ho- what is cryptocurrency. What is cryptocurrency? Search on Google how to earn money with cryptocurrency. A cryptocurrency or crypto is a digital currency in which individual coin ownership is recorded in a ledger in a computerized database. The software uses strong cryptography to secure transaction record to control the creation of additional coins and to verify the transfer of coin ownership. A cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that is secured by cryptography, which makes it nearly impossible to counterfeit. What is cryptocurrency? In this video, I will tell you how to earn money with cryptocurrency, OctaFX, Binance, and HDFox. Cryptocurrency is a big currency in the world. Types of currency: what is cryptocurrency and Bitcoin, how cryptocurrency works, what is cryptocurrency trading, is cryptocurrency legal in Pakistan, in USA, in all the world. Cryptocurrency dummies book. In this video, I will tell you how to earn money with cryptocurrency. What is cryptocurrency and how it works? Cryptocurrency is a form of payment that can be exchanged online for goods and services. Many companies have issued their own currency, often called tokens, and these can be traded specifically for the good or service that company provide. Cryptocurrency work using a technology called blockchain. What is cryptocurrency? Here what you should do. A cryptocurrency is a type of currency which uses digital files as money. Usually the files are created using the same ways as cryptography, the science of hiding information. Cryptocurrency use control, which means that they are not controlled by one person or government. Cryptocurrency is simple English Wikipedia, the free encyclopedia. Is cryptocurrency a money? What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a type of digital currency that generally only exists electronically. There is no physical coin or bill unless you use a service that allow you to cash in cryptocurrency for a physical token. Is PayPal a cryptocurrency? No. No. It marks the first international expansion of PayPal's crypto product since its launch in the USA last year. PayPal is one of many firms taking a leap into the mostly unregulated world of cryptocurrency. In this video, I will tell you how to earn money with cryptocurrency. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye.